Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max 128GB variant in the gold color with me. This is the US model and it has a special dedicated slot for capturing 5G waves, which is exclusive only to the US models. So let's open the box and discover what's inside. Firstly, we get this phone and let's check out the inbox contents. Although Apple has removed most of the contents, but still we get to see a type C to lightning cable, and this designed by Apple in California along with some Apple stickers. So keeping the box aside, let's take out this cover from the phone. As you can see, this experience is awesome, and on opening the sticker we should boot on the phone now. As you can see, the Apple logo has appeared and the phone is now booting on. So it's gonna take a while. And this was that exclusive port which I was talking about. This is based only on US models, and it allows the phone to function at faster 5G speeds. Now, as you can see, the phone has booted up. I've already done the initial setup, so I'm not gonna continue with that, and I'll